up guys, it's your girl Queen Evangeline and welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing a how to make lip gloss tutorial. I did ask you guys whether you'd rather a lip gloss tutorial or an op shop haul, so I will be doing an op shop haul later on, but for today I'll be doing this one. Also, I will be giving away the lip gloss I'm making today because it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. I hope you guys get spoiled by loved ones, or better yet, go out and spoil yourself. Like, go and get your nails done, go and get a pedicure, a massage, do your makeup, like just do anything to make yourself feel great. I used to go to the mall by myself and just sit there and eat alone and like just people watch. For me that was like really therapeutic, so if you're into that, maybe, or even if you're not into that, maybe just like go and try it. Yeah, I just felt like, I don't know, I would go to Denny's and just sit there alone, and I would like set up my phone and I'll just watch YouTube videos while I'm eating at Denny's by myself. So yeah, don't be afraid to be alone, and yeah, you do need to be watching throughout this whole video to be able to win today's giveaway. I'll let you know the details on my story. Stay tuned for that. But without further ado, I'm gonna go make some gloss.
So guys, you're going to want to start off with a clean table. Of course, I've already sanitized it and everything, wiped it down. Also, wash your hands, which I've done. And then, so, sanitize. I would use some paper towels because I find that like it's less messy, but I don't have any, so I mean, like, also have some disposable gloves and put them on. Oh my gosh. There you go. Cool. When that's done, now what you'll need is, of course, a bowl. So you can get these from the $2 store. It's just an empty bowl. Of course, give it a wash before you use it. You'll need one of these ice block sticks, a dropper. This one is a must, so definitely have a lot of these on hand. You'll also need some TKB gloss base. Well, that's where I get mine from. This is from the States. I don't actually use measurements. I basically just squeeze the damn thing inside here. That's literally all I do, to be honest. I just squeeze and hope for the best. There we go. That should be. You'll need some type of oil to mix in with your base. This is fractionated coconut oil, which means it's just a clear oil. It's not like the coconut oil that you get from, like, you know, like the supermarket or the pharmacy or whatever. This is from COSMETIC. Support your small businesses. She's a small business in Auckland, so go and check her out as well. And then also some castor oil. It's a bit tricky. They do leak, so yeah, this is castor oil. So again, with that, I don't exactly, there we go. I don't exactly measure, you know. I'll just put a few drops in, just a few drops. Because I mean, the more, it's really up to you, to be honest. The more oil you put in, the less sticky it would be, but it would be like really oily. So it really just depends on what you like. I probably wouldn't put so much oil when you want like really pigmented glosses. Yeah. And now I'm going to be pouring some castor oil in. Again, not a lot. The castor oil actually helps to make your gloss shiny. And it also is obviously for moisture, along with the fractionated coconut oil. Obviously, coconut oil is known to provide moisture, and yeah, mix it all together. Mix it. Now what you're going to need is some flavor. I've chosen strawberry flavor by Lorraine Oils because I I think that's very fitting for Valentine's Day. You know, chocolate covered strawberries and all that. I only had a little bit left in that bottle, so just gonna put that in there. And then you mix it all around. And this isn't like a really pigmented gloss. It's just gonna have a little tint, but it's really actually not even gonna show up on your lips, to be honest. It'll just be a clear gloss. Now, I put glitter in mine because I just love glitter. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like, I don't know. I'll show you later. But this is holographic glitter. It's micro, because you don't want to feel like the grit of the glitter on your lips. So you gotta get literally micro glitter and make sure that it is cosmetic safe and lip safe. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in, not a lot. I don't want it to overtake the color. And we're gonna mix. Mix. And then now I'm going to add some cute little purple hearts. Aren't they so cute?
So this is basically done. It's basically mixed. Now what you're gonna need is a syringe, TERUMO syringe catheter tip.
Yeah. So I just get these in a box of 20 or 25. So yeah, get these. It is definitely helpful to put the gloss inside the tubes. And then you're gonna use this thing again. And yeah, where the heck? Alright, so this is what you do with your syringe. Basically, you get one of these droppers, and you just cut the tip off, and you cut the end off. You cut both ends off, and then you tape it to the end of the syringe, so then it can reach inside the squeeze tube nicely, or whatever tube you're using. Okay, so we've got this ready. Now what we're going to do is pull this out, and then we're just going to stick all of this in there. This is what I do. Get it, kind of like if you're, getting, I don't know. That was too hard to explain. It was too hard to finish that sentence. But it like reminds me of when you, I know that the people who wax, when you go get waxed, they do that with the wax. You can do it this way, or you can not do it that way, or you can just like pour it in or whatever. And then you grab that thing, push it. There are air bubbles usually, so make sure you get those out. And then you get your tube, you shove that in the tube, and then you go hard at it, really. You just like that. Cute, huh? Yep, just like that. It's as simple as that, really. Oh no, it's coming out. Then you just shove it in there. Yep, and just like that. So, this is just a close-up. Look how sparkly it is. It's not actually this color, like, you can't really see. And usually after this, they do get washed because you can see, like, I don't know why this is not focusing. But, you can see the glitter and stuff like all over it, so they do need to get rinsed and washed because they would be sticky. So yeah.
So we've come to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for your support. If you do want to win today's giveaway for Valentine's Day, go ahead to my story on Insta. These are the cute little glossies. They're so cute. Why wouldn't you want to win these? Like, why? They're so cute. These won't be the only things that you'll be winning, of course. I am going to throw in some other freebies. You'll be surprised. So go ahead to my story and you'll see how to enter. It's honestly so simple. So go ahead to the story. You probably came from there. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day today, and I hope all your dreams come true. Bye.